Okay. Chào cho lên theo tụi năm gỡ tiền.
Late in the evening, she wonders what clothes to wear. Puts on her makeup, brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks me, am I alright? And I say yes. You look wonderful tonight. Go to a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes and the wonder of it all that you just don't realize how much I love you. She helped me to bed, and then I tell her as I cut down the line, I said, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Good job. Thank you.
Yeah.